everyone. How are you doing? This is Dave Bondy, keeping it real. If you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get everything that Facebook doesn't show. If you're watching on Facebook, go ahead and hit the share button. I want to break down several things to you. We have new information when it comes to coronavirus recoveries, also some new information from the MDHHS on numbers, and also, do you think it would be okay if you would get a passport to be able to go places if you have the COVID vaccine? Lots of interesting discussion that I want to start. I want to show you, first of all, let's take a look here at the COVID stats. And this is information released as of Saturday. And this is January 2nd right here. This is on January 2nd. According to the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, 497,000 confirmed cases. According to the MDHHS, 12,598 deaths, 8,983 new cases between Thursday and today, Saturday, and 265 deaths reported between Thursday and Saturday. But the state is saying that more than 200 of those have come through a vital records review looking at old records. So, but also something that you don't hear very often that I promise that I will always report, the number of recoveries, the number of COVID-19 recoveries. And these statistics right here are active as of the 30th of December. 363,611 people, according to the state of Michigan, have recovered from COVID-19. Now, when I say recovered, I'm going to read to you the definition by the state of Michigan. And the state of Michigan says people who have recovered, confirmed COVID-19 cases who are 30 days out from their onset of illness to represent recovery status. Let's see here. These are number of persons with a confirmed COVID-19 diagnosis who are alive 30 days post-onset. So the number of persons, these people could still have some symptoms. They could still have some issues, but the state is saying there's 363,000 recovered from COVID-19. So I like giving those numbers as well because a lot of people always focus on the extreme negative, and I like to focus on the positive and keep it positive here with everyone on the Keeping It Real with Dave Bondy. Also, I'm going to show you, and this is really interesting, I'm asking all of you, do you think that you should have to have a passport to travel, to go to a concert? Let me pull up a list here of some things that some experts are saying that it may come to this. And I'm not sure if it will at all. That's not for me to decide. To travel on a plane, to go to a stadium, to go to a restaurant, to go to a school. Do you think that you should have to carry around a piece of paper or an ID or something that says that you have a COVID-19 vaccine? Many people are debating that right now, and Ticketmaster had an issue like that before. They were considering it, and then they backtracked a little bit. So I just want to know, Owen, sorry, that's my son in the background. So I want to know what all of you think about that. Should you have to have a passport, so a vaccine passport to travel or to go to a stadium or something? That's on lots of people's minds, and just wanted to know what all of you had to think about that, because that's very interesting to know what you think. Should you have a passport to show that you've been vaccinated or not? So lots of issues, just a short segment today. Wanted to go over some of these new numbers that we got. I really appreciate all of you watching. Once again, if you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get all of my updates. If you're watching on Facebook or any other social media, go ahead and hit the share button and leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you, everyone, for watching. And I'm trying to update my graphics here and keep things fresh for all of you. I am trying to keep it real for everyone. Have a great weekend, a great day.